Why do we need data standards? This simple illustration helps to make that clear using a seemingly obvious data element, gender. It also helps explain the difference between syntax, which is structure, and semantics, which is meaning. Here, in System A, male is represented by a 1 and female by a 0. Over here in System B, that's reversed, with 0 representing male and 1 representing female. Should you mix data from these two systems without some intervening standard, gender would be impossible to determine accurately for reporting and other purposes. We say these two systems differ syntactically. They may be using the same language of 1s and 0s, but they can't interoperate without some intermediate translation process that maps one to the other or both to some common syntax. Over in System C, M is used for male and F for female. We say that System C differs semantically from Systems A and B. It uses a different language to represent gender. Moreover, System C recognizes that gender may be ambiguous and represents that with a U, a concept the other two systems don't deal with. Interoperability between System C and the other two systems would require translation from its syntax to theirs, or translations of both syntaxes to a common form, a standard. Since patients with gender U can't be represented in Systems A and B, some accommodation for that would also have to be made. If something as seemingly simple and obvious as gender can lead to this much complexity, imagine what happens with concepts such as a patient's diagnosis, which is inherently somewhat subjective and can have thousands of possible values. That's why we need data standards.